1955 Oliver White. Gonna do a cold start up. I already checked the oil, coolant and fuel and hydraulic oil. She should fire right up. It's got the Waukesha in it. They were great engines as long as you did not lug them or over rev them. We got it hooked up to our Heston 30 stack hand, second owners. We ended up blowing 2 front tires this haying season, so we got these spares on here, so don't mind them. It's got 7,600 hours on it, all original, new clutch. When we first bought this tractor, we've had it for years now. And there you go. Please like my videos, subscribe. If you like my videos, make sure to hit that like button because I'll keep putting them up for all you tractor gearheads out there.